Hey, Hoser, are you going to put this up?
Well, you want to do it the other way because it doesn't matter. Let's do the label out so we can read it.
Yeah, you just have to come back and cut that one piece out.
Yeah.
So it's flush off.
I got to move my ladder. Okay.
Is that heavy?
I'm in.
I'm not. This block is messing me up. We got to bring it down for a second.
No way.
Yeah. Way?
Okay, hang on. Can I come down there and help you, or do we?
Well, I got this block. It's at an angle, and it's up high enough. I can't get it in where it's got to go.
You have to lift yours on up because I'm wedged in.
Okay. Okay, you got it?
Oh my gosh. Ooh! Need some help?
Now, watch out.
Yeah, would you come take this for me?
Is that heavy?
No, I'm good right now.
Okay, ready?
Nothing Nicole Mannington wouldn't take care of though.
Oh, okay, I got you covered. Do we have beer here?
Yeah, it's coming. Now I'm screwed. Why did you do that?
Oh God,
Okay,
Kodak
my
moment.
block
What's
is
the figure?
totally out of position. I need help.
You talking to me?
Mine can stay right there.
Okay. I'm happy for you.
As a filmmaker, I don't believe I should interfere in the documentary.
Oh, shit, that almost fell.
Oh, Jesus.
My life flashed from my eyes.
Tilted big time.
Oh no, oh God!
I had my camera on the wrong subject too.
So if I could just get a nail in here real quick.
I'm thinking just nail it, son of a bitch.
You got it?
No, but I'll get it.
Get the nail.
Start it and then I'll give it one more heave-ho. Oh!
Okay,
I think I moved.
I like it.
That's good right there, man.
Nail
Get the
it.
nail gun.
Nail it.
Now be careful. I'm worried. It's not going to pop out the other side, is
Hope
it?
not. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Got it?
Oh, it doesn't. It's going to go shooting over here, isn't it? I got to be careful.
Those probably need to be hand drive right there.
Okay. Gonna have to jack it.
Okay, I guess I could... I've got a 20-minute movie going on at this point. That can't be right. Okay. Nice job.
Thanks.
Well done. Well done, workers. Keep up the good work. Proud of you.
So